Hello everyone, welcome back to Medical Coding Club. This is Chandrika. So in this video, I have added basic acronyms of HCC coding that every HCC coder should know. So the basic acronym includes SOAP, MEET, tamper, mapping and flags. So we'll also learn their meaning and importance in the HCC coding. So all of these elements are very important, and as a coder you should always look for these documentation to code accurately and completely. So please pause the screen and read through each slide carefully. And I have also added some common medical condition which we use in HCC coding, and they know their mapping and all I have added. So please check, and in upcoming videos I will try to do a long video with a live HCC coding as an example. So yes, if you would like to join my CPC exam preparation classes, which is starting from September 10th, please do reach me out through WhatsApp. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and please do share with your medical coding friends.